Voila, fresh cheese pizza straight out of the oven, just how you love it.
Classic pizza. No bullshit. No need to pretend to be fancy. Straight up like how you love it. Wow, Chloe looks so beautiful tonight. I can't believe it. She's so classy too. Eating with a fork and knife. What a lady. What's that smell? It smells really good. She must really want to impress me.
Hey, is that a new perfume?
Yeah, it's Chanel No. 5.
I love it. It smells really good. Well, I had a great time tonight. I hope you did too.
Definitely. I had a good time too. Well, good night.
Good night.
I'm a gentleman. I respect her. She's special, not a one-night stand. I'm gonna give her time. 2 days. Then I'll text her. Everything is perfect.
Voila, fresh cheese pizza straight out of the oven, just how you love it.
Seriously? Pizza on a date night? It has so much calories in it. Ugh, is he trying to make me fat? You're just going to eat with your hands? Oh my god, show some class. Oh my god, my stomach. It must be that double shot latte I had. Ugh, I can't hold it anymore. I know. I'll just pretend to adjust my seat. Oh my god, it's so bad. Fuck, he's gonna smell it.
Hey, is that a new cologne?
Yeah, it's, Chanel No. 5.
Smells really good. I love it.
That was so close. How did he not smell that? What's wrong with him? Also, seriously, cologne? He doesn't know that it's called perfume.
Well, I had a great time tonight. I hope you did too.
Definitely. I had a good time too. Well, good night.
Good night.
Is he serious? He's not even going to ask me to stay the night and sleep with him? This guy is so weird. Ugh, what a terrible night.